Hey guys, ready to make your video stand out? Today, we're diving into the world of video templates. Trust me, no one wants to watch a video if it looks like everyone else's. Templates are a game changer for boosting your views, subscribers, and engagement. I'll show you how they can speed up your production process and make your content pop. Plus, we'll explore the best sites for downloading video templates, both free and paid. So, what exactly are video templates? Think of them as pre-made video designs that you can use to customize your content. In our no one has time for anything world, people crave new and engaging content, and templates help you deliver just that. Most creators today rely on templates and assets from stock websites. There are different types of video templates that can take your production to a whole new level. Logos, intros, transitions, mock-ups, titles, promos, you name it. You might be wondering, can I use these templates with my software? They seem pretty complicated. That's a great question, because not every asset is suitable for every video editor platform. Most require subscriptions, but some, like DaVinci Resolve, are free. There are some limitations, but for most needs, it works just fine. And don't stress about complexity. These templates are designed to be user-friendly, often with drag-and-drop functionality. They come with step-by-step instructions and tutorials to get you started. Just follow along and you'll soon be customizing text, colors, and other elements with ease, even if it looks like some very advanced stuff at first. One of the best things about video templates is their flexibility. You can tweak them to match your brand and style. Change the text, switch out colors, and add your images or videos. This way, your videos maintain a professional look while being uniquely yours. Okay, now let's talk about where you can get these templates. I'll start with paid options because the quality and variety can be a game changer. And these sites are often more affordable than you think. Envato Elements has a library of over 120,000 video templates for After Effects, Premiere Pro, Apple Motion, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. The variety is great, but not everything is of the highest quality. Make sure you sort templates by the latest added to see their most recent updates. For $33 per month, or $199 per year, you get unlimited downloads of all templates and millions of other assets like stock footage, music, and images. It's perfect for creators who want endless options without breaking the bank. Motion Array is my go-to site for templates, and honestly, it's one of the best out there. It offers over 500,000 video templates for After Effects, Premiere Pro, Mogrids, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Premiere Rush. It's slightly cheaper than Envato Elements, $30 per month, or $190 per year. The license is also simpler compared to Envato, so you won't have to relicense the assets every time you want to use them. Adobe Stock offers thousands of video templates. The downloads are not unlimited, which can be a real turn-off for some creators. Plus, considering the assets are for Adobe products, it can get expensive. Personally, I don't see a significant difference in the quality of assets compared to Envato Elements or Motion Array. Prices start at $30 per month for 10 standard assets, and there's a 30-day free trial if you want to give Adobe Stock a try. Now, let's talk about free video templates. While paid options offer higher quality and variety, there are several great free options if you're on a budget or just starting out. Keep in mind that these free templates are often a teaser to get you to subscribe to their monthly plans. After all, nothing's truly free. Motion Array and Envato Elements also have free templates available, which is a great way to try their assets before committing to a subscription. Canva has a subscription price of $15 per month, or $120 per year, and there is a free version available. It's great for creatives using Canva's drag-and-drop editor. However, there are no transitions, stop motion, or top effects. It's a good option for beginners looking for quick and easy customization, but you might want to look elsewhere if you're after more professional grade video templates. CapCut offers thousands of customizable templates within the app's editor. It's best for creating engaging videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. The free version is limited, but it gives you a taste of what's available. For more features like background removal, auto reframes, advanced transitions, and AI tools, you can subscribe for $10 monthly or $75 annually. The learning curve is shorter compared to something like DaVinci Resolve, but don't expect the same quality of effects and templates. Mixkit, VidEvo, and Vecteezy are other good sources of free video templates. Mixkit offers templates for Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve with simple licensing. VidEvo provides a variety of free templates, including 4K options, and Vecteezy offers numerous free templates that are easy to find and use. While the quality is decent, using multiple sources can be time-consuming and distracting. Templates are a great tool, but can you make videos without them? Absolutely. There are creators whose messages are so compelling that their audience supports them no matter what, and they almost don't edit their videos. But if you are serious about video creation and want to improve your videos, investing in a paid subscription is 100% worth it. I recommend going with Motion Array. It's not just a great platform for templates, but a comprehensive resource for all your video needs. It also saves you time and streamlines your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and write in the comments section whether you use templates for your videos. See you in the next one.